Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a haul on Halloween outfits. These are very pretty girl outfits. They're not very, scary. I just have gone for the really cute pretty girl kind of vibe for Halloween because I like dressing up like that. But anyway, these are my Halloween outfits for this year and I wanted to show you guys anyway because I thought it'd be fun to show you some Halloween outfits. And I know you guys love hauls from me, so yes. These are my Halloween outfits, so I'm going to be trying on the clothes now. I hope you guys enjoy, and happy Halloween, by the way! So this is the first outfit, and this is supposed to represent the girl from Clueless because she wears a yellow schoolgirl outfit, and this is just more of a kinked up version of that. This outfit is from Fashion Nova, but Dolls Kill do a similar outfit like this. And they did it for Halloween, so they might be bringing it out next year. I don't know if it's still online for sale this year, but you can go have a look. But it's an awesome outfit. I didn't know that yellow could look so good on an outfit. I think it's really cute. So if you want to be clueless for Halloween, then this is the outfit to go for. Just to let you know, Clueless is a movie, so if you want to go check it out, then feel free. I don't know, you can just Google it. But if you know the movie Clueless, then this is such a cool outfit. But yeah, this is one of my super cute outfits, and I'm going to be showing you another one. Okay, to the next outfit. This is the next outfit, but I recommend if you're going to wear this, you should pair it with butterfly wings or something like that because this is such a cute, like, butterfly-y kind of outfit. It's just so pretty. If you want to be a butterfly princess for Halloween, then this is your outfit. And this outfit is from Dolls Kill. So this is the next outfit, and I would recommend pairing these with like some devil horns or something like that. Yeah, because I think it would just look cute having the red vibe, and I think it's nice to have a cute sexy dress for the occasion with like an accessory or something like that. But yeah, I love this dress. This dress is from American Apparel. I got this a long time ago, but yeah, it's still a really nice dress. So this was being sold on the Halloween section on Dolls Kill. This is just like a pretty kind of like, it's like a cheerleader outfit, but it's more like an angelic sort of heavenly outfit. If you want to be expressing those angel vibes on Halloween, then this is a good outfit. So we got some cute knee-high socks here. So this is a heavenly cheerleader outfit. Woohoo! Could do some cheerleading. Okay, yeah, I've never done cheerleading before, but I can imagine it would be really fun. But anyway, this is an awesome outfit for Halloween. So this is from Dolls Kill's Halloween section, and this says angels on the top, and it also has knickers that say heaven sent. I'm not wearing them, I'm wearing shorts right now, but yeah, this is a really cute outfit for Halloween, and this is one of my favorites. Anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed looking at these outfits and checking me out, wearing them and stuff, because I think it's really fun to do some Halloween outfit things. Robin loves this! Robin! Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this Halloween haul, then give me a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe for weekly videos and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time I upload a YouTube video. And yes, thank you for coming back to my channel and enjoying me and like loving me, guys. I love you so much. Thank you for watching me. Have a nice Halloween. Bye.